everyone.
Hey.
It's cold.
Just a little chilly outside.
I'm freezing. Full disclosure, this is going to be filmed a little out of order.
Yes.
Because we've got things happening and Michael's got to depart here soon.
Yes.
So a lot of this I'm going to do on my own, but we wanted to give you our intro and we'll do an exit together as well.
Yes.
I think.
But he gets to do all the hard work.
I get to do all the work. So
but I'll be out of town.
I'm so excited. I'm not excited because this container,
it's pretty.
Been my favorite.
Yeah.
It's been my hands down favorite, y'all.
Yeah, I really, really love it. The lamium.
Well, in this pot, the lamium.
The lamium in the other part got eaten.
Yeah.
But this lamium is it's so pretty.
Yeah, let me tell you, you saw a couple of videos ago.
The deer.
The deer, how brazen they are.
Yeah.
They came in and took that lamium while I was sitting right here.
Mm-hmm. And they're not even supposed to like it.
No.
But
they ate it. This one got spared, but anyway, also full disclosure, this is being filmed in late October. We're mid to late October right now. I think we're in the 20th or something. This video will actually come out maybe a month from now. So apologies, it's going to be into November. We had no other choice because we've got our holiday stuff coming.
Yep.
So you'll see this video after the holiday stuff.
Yep.
But we're taking this apart now. It's October 20th because we've got frost in 2 days.
Yep.
So it has to come apart. No other choice. It's got to go.
Yeah.
Got to go. We're going to put it out in the landscape.
Yeah. And then
everything in here is perennial, right?
All of it is perennial. Yeah. And some of it's staying. Not everything's getting pulled out of it.
Yeah. The lamium's going to stay. The false cypress is going to stay. We're not going to tell you what else we're putting in here. No. That's another video. Stay tuned. What do they need to do?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
You got to subscribe to see the next one. We got some really cool stuff to go in the next one. I'm super happy with it. But we've got places for all of this stuff. So we're going to go ahead and pop everything out. I'm going to put it in the landscape. It's going to go right behind us here in our, we keep calling this the pond garden, but y'all, we need new names.
Yeah. Because it's kind of far away from the pond.
It is kind of far away from the pond. So let me show you that and we'll get your comments on what we should name each section of our garden. So here we go. This is our pond. So our pond is here. If you've been watching, you know. So we've been actually calling all of this
the pond garden.
Our pond garden, which technically it's not anymore. I guess we need to, so we need to rename.
Yes.
We need to rename
this is more like the pond garden. Like, I would say the coleus is more pond garden than...
I believe so. Yeah.
I would say the pond garden truly stops here, like here.
From here
to like me.
Here. So let's call that the pond garden.
Yeah.
Y'all help us figure out some names. Do we want to make this one garden, 2 gardens, 3 gardens? I don't know.
Yeah. And then we could, I guess, name that, because that's just the arbed beds.
Well, it is the arbed bed. We're just going to call that the arbed bed.
The arbed beds.
But let's see. So this is the whole section. So y'all let us know in the comments what you think, and we'll go from there. So some of the plants that we've got our weeping blue cedar. We've got our redwood tree here. We've got our hydrangeas back there. Weeping white pine.
Native redbud.
These are our hibiscus, which are looking pretty sad.
Coral bark Japanese maple.
And then the white spruce. Now, also, this will continue. So this is going to go on. Next year, we've got dirt planned to come in to fill this in. And this will continue.
Yeah.
But y'all, what do you think? Let us know in the comments what you think. I mean, we've got this whole expanse, so let's start thinking of some names.
Yep.
Okay, so let's take one quick look at this before we tear it apart. So just a brief reminder of what we put in here. We've got the Queen Nectarine, meant to be agastache, which we love. We've got it in 2 other places in the garden. The hummingbirds go crazy for this plant. We've got our 3 different kinds of coneflower, which are looking pretty sad.
Yeah, they're ready
to go.
Yeah.
We've got the coreopsis. No.
Yes.
No.
It is a coreopsis.
It is coreopsis.
Yeah.
I'm thinking caryopteris. Y'all, I get caryopteris.
It's coreopteris.
And coreopsis mixed up. But we've got, it's still looking good, which it's darkened up in the cool weather.
Yeah.
We've had some really nice cool weather. We've got our purple lamium, which is wild orchid, I believe. And then the false cypress.
Yeah. And then the sunflowers that are cut back.
Well, no, they're on this side. That's coneflower.
Oh, yeah, coneflower.
But we've still got one that's still trying to go for it. Now, y'all, this is spreading. Yeah. This sunflower spreading. So we're going to be careful where we put that. And then we've got our maiden grass, which is fire dragon?
I think so. It's got plumes on it
If
now.
it's not fire dragon, I will let you know. This will turn red, and it's starting to
it's
do
starting
so.
to. It's
You
very.
can barely see it.
I would say after this frost, it will be red.
But the plumes are beautiful.
Yeah.
Silvery color. But yeah, we've got places for all this stuff. So I'm gonna get busy in tearing this apart. It'll probably be a little bit more daylight when that happens. And then we'll be back to show you where everything goes. All right, everything's placed, and we're like 3 days later, and Michael's back.
Yeah, I'm back.
So let me show you what we did. So the coneflowers, now we'll say, yes, we took these out a little early. They're still fall planters, but we got what, 3 days of frost already?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I did a river of the coneflowers here, which they're pretty well spent anyway, but we just did all the coneflower right down in the front and around the back. So going all the way around the side, we did the coreopsis here with our guava lava, which everything's a little dry. I need to come out here and water a little bit, which I have not done. And then our grass went right here, which that should fill in nicely right here at the base between these two hibiscus. And we found a little surprise in the grass. Another, oh, it actually fell down. We're gonna have to fix it.
What is it?
The Utheca, the nest for the,
Eggs.
yeah. So I'll show you. We found another nest for the praying mantis. Actually, no, I think it's still attached. There's just a dead blade of grass in there. So we're going to leave that. And then we actually put the other ones. I'll show you what I did here. These are the ones that we found in the sun patiens. I just kind of glued the stick to the hibiscus, and I did both of them and put a little extra on there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh, actually, our hibiscus is alive. It's trying to pop back up. So it's regrowing.
That's good.
Yeah, so that's great. Saved.
Yay.
All right. Was there anything? Oh, the grasses. You can see our maple has a little color on it,
Yeah, it's starting to turn red.
which I know you're excited about.
Yeah.
And then we did one of our grasses up here. And then the other went over by the urn, which I won't take you over there. It's just placed by the urn. What do you think?
I like it. It looks really good.
Yeah. And everything's empty.
Yeah, everything's empty.
I'm really
Besides the
sad about
coleus.
that. Except I did leave the, I left the Silver Falls, which we'll take that out. in our next video. And I left the sedum because I don't know if that's something we want to place. I don't really have anywhere for it. I'm not a fan of the sedum.
It's pretty, but I don't think it really goes anywhere with the rest of the stuff.
Nah, I think we can leave it out.
Yeah.
So that does it for this one. You're gonna have to stay tuned to see what we refill everything with. I'm pretty excited about what we've got. It's gonna look really great for holiday, which we are now past our tree, which we haven't done our trees yet, but this video will be coming out after we finished all of our tree videos. So we're actually getting ready to start that here in a couple of days. But technically these new containers could be holiday. Yeah, but in order to do that, and in order to see those videos, what do they need to do?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
As always, we appreciate you. We'll see you next time.
Bye.